Okay, so in this video, what I want to do is show you how to solve a quadratic equation from a graph. So here I have a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, this is not a function. However, this right here is a function. And I can represent that as y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So this represents a set of ordered pairs. And this is an equation which is making a statement about the y values. So y is equal to this, and we're saying that this is equal to 0. So we're really asking the question, when is y equal to 0 for this function? Well, that would be the zeros of this function are the solutions to this equation, because it's the zeros that make this function equal to 0. Okay, see how that works? Let's look at some examples from your homework. So I'm going to share my screen. And in module 6, question 28, we are asked the graph of f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c is given in the figure. Solve the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So they don't actually give us the a, b, and c, but they give us the graph. And so here's our function. Now, what are the zeros of this graph? The zeros are the points, the x-coordinates of the points, which are the x-intercepts. So there's only one x-intercept, and it's right here. And the x value at that point is -5. So -5 is the 0 for this function, which is the solution to the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And so looking at the choices, I select -5. All right, in the next question, notice that this particular quadratic function has no x-intercepts. Therefore, that function, the y value of that function is never 0, and therefore 0 equals ax squared plus bx plus c has no solutions. This time we have a quadratic function that intersects the x-axis in two places, so there are going to be two solutions to this, the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So here we can see it intersects the x-axis at -6 and also at the origin. So the x values are -6 and 0. Those are the zeros. And here again, we have the quadratic function. We want to know when is it equal to 0. And if you look, it looks like this is -2 and this is 0. X equal -2 and 0 are the zeros of the function, and therefore they're the solutions to the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So that, I hope that helps you do these problems. Again, always reach out to me if you're struggling with any of the homework. Please email me and I can set up a time where we could Zoom or meet in person at my office. Anyway, I hope this helped. Have a good day.